AI presentation tools have been around for quite some time now, but honestly, most of them have the exact same problem. They promise to create a complete presentation in just a few seconds. And while it might look decent at first, the moment you start editing it, everything falls apart. The formatting gets messy, fonts become inconsistent, layouts break, and suddenly you're spending more time fixing the slides than if you had built the presentation yourself.
So today I wanted to test something different. This is Dokie AI, and unlike most AI presentation tools, it claims to create presentation slides that are actually ready to use for business meetings, investor pitches, reports, university projects, and much more. The question is, does it actually deliver? Let's find out. This is the Dokie dashboard. You can simply visit Dokie.ai or use the link in the description to try it yourself. At first glance, it looks like a typical AI presentation generator, but once you start exploring, you'll notice it's designed more for professional work, rather than just making pretty slides. For example, instead of only generating presentations from a prompt, Dokie can also create slides from a YouTube video, a website URL, a PDF document, a Word file, existing PowerPoint presentations. That means if you already have content, you don't need to start from scratch. Let's say you found a really informative YouTube video and want to convert it into presentation slides. Instead of manually taking notes, simply paste the video link into Dokie. It analyzes the content and turns it into a structured presentation, saving a huge amount of time. The same thing works with websites as well. Just paste any web page URL and Dokie gathers the important information before organizing it into presentation slides automatically. If you already have a PDF report, a Word document, or even an old PowerPoint presentation, you can upload it directly. Dokie doesn't just copy the content, it completely redesigns it into a cleaner, more modern presentation while keeping the information organized. And that's especially useful if you're working with outdated slides that need a fresh look. One thing I really liked is the variety of presentation themes. Instead of getting stuck with one generic design, you can choose from multiple professionally designed themes before generating your presentation. Let me show you one example. This presentation is about search engines in the AI era, and honestly, it looks surprisingly polished. Each slide has its own layout, the visuals actually match the topic, and nothing feels randomly generated. Instead of filling every slide with paragraphs of text, Dokie uses diagrams, screenshots, icons, and visual elements to make the presentation much easier to follow. And of course, every slide remains fully editable. If you don't like a section, simply click on the text and edit it. Or even easier, use the built-in AI rewrite feature to rewrite that content instantly. Instead of creating another random demo, let's test Dokie in a real-world scenario. Imagine I'm preparing an investor pitch for one of my projects. I'll use wipes.dev, which is an AI tool that helps generate mobile app UI designs. All I need to do is copy the website URL, paste it into Dokie, and let the AI analyze the website. Rather than generating slides immediately, Dokie first creates a complete outline. I actually like this approach because it gives you a chance to review the presentation structure before spending time generating everything. I can change the order, add or remove sections, or rewrite anything I want. Once everything looks good, I simply click generate. After a short wait, the presentation is ready, and honestly, this looks far better than I expected. The first slide introduces the company beautifully. The second slide contains a clean table of contents. Then it moves into the investment opportunity, explaining the problem, the solution, the business model, funding requirements, and future roadmap. What's impressive is that Dokie also generated information I never explicitly mentioned, like milestone planning, budget allocation, and funding distribution. Everything feels structured, like a real investor pitch, instead of random AI-generated slides. Another thing I appreciate is how customizable everything is. Every text box, every image, every background, every chart, everything can be edited. If you want more slides, just ask the AI. Need additional charts? Ask the AI. Need to rewrite an entire section? One click, you can even upload your own company branding or presentation template so future presentations automatically match your brand style. Normally, when making presentations, I have to open another website just to generate images. Dokie removes that extra step. It includes its own AI image generator directly inside the editor. You can also search the web for images without leaving the presentation, or upload your own graphics if you already have them. Everything stays inside one workspace. If your presentation feels too static, you can make it much more engaging. Dokie supports entrance animations, interactive elements, and even embedded 3D models. For example, I searched for a smartphone model, added it to one of my slides, and during presentation mode, the model becomes fully interactive. You can rotate it, zoom in, and explore it directly inside the presentation. It's a small feature, but it definitely helps make presentations more memorable. So, can AI replace PowerPoint? Honestly, I don't think AI replaces PowerPoint completely. What it replaces is the most time-consuming part of creating presentations. Instead of spending hours organizing information, designing layouts, searching for images, and formatting slides, you can let AI handle all of that, then simply refine the final result. After testing Dokie, I can honestly say it feels much closer to a professional presentation tool than many of the AI presentation generators I've tried before. It's definitely worth checking out. I've left the link in the description below if you'd like to try it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more AI tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.